come true.
Hey lovers and friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining, I do hope you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of Life with Munch. If you are a returning, thank you so much for your dedication, time, and your effort. In today's video, I am just going to be talking to you guys about a few things that you should be doing before you get your braids done, your cornrows, your twists, anything that involves your hair being tucked away for a couple of weeks using like some kind of like a synthetic fiber. So if you are interested, just carry on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Before we start, I just want to say, if you are the type that likes to be accompanied when you go to the salon because you want your friend to be an inspector, because at the salons we all know that sometimes you do braids and then you show them a size. You're like, no, I want like this size. They do the right size in the front, but in the middle it's Russians. In the beginning it's Vienna's, and because obviously you can't see, and by the time maybe you're done, it's at night, you like over it, it looks pretty in the front, you forget that you also need to check your hair at the back. If you are the designated inspector on the day, please do not go to the salon and then be drawn into doing braids on the day. If you have not prepared yourself, you have not prepared your hair, do not do it. It is not worth it. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have a clean scalp and clean hair. So depending on how much dirt build up and how dirty your hair is, you will either shampoo wash, apple cider vinegar rinse, or co-wash your hair so that you've got clean hair. You want to give your hair some good loving. Remember, your hair will be tucked and pulled, so you want to just give your hair that extra strength. So go ahead, go and buy a protein pack and do a protein treatment. Number 3, you want to deep condition your hair. You just want to make sure that your hair is well hydrated, it is well penetrated with that moisture, so that when you do your braids, you know that my hair is good. Next thing you want to do is a Loc method, and a serious Loc method, not the roping style one that you do where you just section your hair into 2 or into 4 and just no, you want to section your hair into maybe 6 or 8 or even 10, making sure that with each step you are applying the product and you are using the praying hands method, which is like this, and the raking method, which is like that. Then that will then be followed by detangling your hair very thoroughly, if I can add. You don't want to go to the salon with your hair in knots, because these people can be aggressive, you understand? So just make sure that personally you have detangled your own hair. You might want to consider just stretching your hair, and I don't promote using heat to stretch your hair. The only heat promotion I do is when you're deep conditioning your hair. So you can either use 3-strand braids, like maybe 6 of them, or 8, or 2-strand twists, or just 2 ponies, or you can use the African threading method, which is the method I like to use, and I will link the video up here so you guys can watch how you can stretch your hair without using heat. And I would advise that you keep the wool or the pantyhose until you get to the salon, so they only take it out then, because also if you take it out and then you run your errands with your hair stretched out, your hair's gonna shrink again, because that's how natural hair works. So just leave it till the last, like till you're there. And then the last thing that you want to do, I know this may be tricky shame, like I know, I really do know, but it will help you a great deal. Okay, you want to rinse your braids with vinegar. A lot of synthetic fibers have chemicals added to them. Chemical helps in terms of preventing mold and mildew when they are transporting and storing the fiber. I've got a video of that on my Instagram, on my IGTV. I will leave a link of that video in the description box, so you guys can watch if you need to. And this brings me to the beginning of the video when I said you cannot go to the salon and decide on the spot that you want to braid your hair. How? Because you have not prepared your hair. So all these things are important factors that I believe one should do to prepare your hair. When you braid your hair, you want your hair to look amazing when you take it out of your braids. Like, you don't want your hair to be breaking. You don't want your hair to look dry. You don't want your hair, you understand what I'm saying? If you love your hair, it will definitely love you back. If I did miss a point, you guys can definitely let me know in the comment section so that everybody else can read. At the end of the day, we all need to slay. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it informative, and I hope you will put these tips to good use. If you did, please like this video, comment down below, share this video on your Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and tag me so I can see it. And most importantly, subscribe. Stay tuning into the channel. See you next time. Bye.